gotta be a way of killing it. How do we do it?
You still don't understand what you're dealing with.
If you ever had enough but still wanted more, use a rose gold, nigga. If you ever didn't need it but still strive to get it, use a rose gold, nigga. And I fuck with you, cause I'm a rose gold nigga too. I want the big face watch with the rose gold ticker. That runway girl with the rose gold slippers. Her sexy bronze skin and her rose gold sisters. Hot pink pussy, rose gold whiskers and all. Are you listening, dog? Cause what I'm spitting is raw. If rap was really dope, my flow might cut the middleman off. Cause this shit's really soft. I write a verse that you can sniff through a straw. Got a demeanor as cool as what you sip through your straw. Know I'm shitting on you, glad it's pissing you off. You think you know my next move? Tell me who's tipping you off. I'll be sure to find him and tell him that he's ripping you off. Cause the steed's so wild, I tell it sit in the stall. Gotta keep the swag tamed. If I visit the mall, I'm probably spending it all. I smoke a lot, forget a bit, only remember the ball. Too busy worry about bread, just slipping into the fall. All I had was a bud brownie for dinner. I had to make moves, borrow a scale from my nigga. Too busy chasing meals to eat one, go figure. Cause won't no one remember anyone with no figures. You need at least 6 to see half the globe, nigga. And how it is that might not come to you, an old nigga. That's why 9 to 5 so old, nigga. I'd rather ball out, be a rose gold, nigga. I want the buckets full of ice with the rose gold bottles. The bloodshot eyes hit by rose gold goggles. The aviator frames block the haters in the lanes that came with the territory once you got the name. Big guy big and you ain't see his eyes ever since. I probably do the same, designers with heavy tint. If you could see where my eyes was going behind the lenses, you see that they were searching the planet for every cent. Money hungry, hear my stomach growl. See my ribs showing, chase that paper, run it down. If you bumped into me shit, you might just see me running down. Try and reach my peak, hide and seek with 100 thou. You was the kid that never ever liked to run around. Couldn't catch shit and quit because no one was coming out. Ha, you was so slow, nigga. You slow-mo, nigga. You can never be a rose gold, nigga. All I had was a bud brownie for dinner. I had to make moves, borrow a scale from my nigga. Too busy chasing meals to eat one, go figure. Cause won't no one remember anyone with no figures. You need at least 6 to see half the globe, nigga. And how it is that might not come to you, an old nigga. That's why 9 to 5 so old, nigga. I'd rather ball out, be a rose gold, nigga.